I'm Taku Rich. Welcome to Phalen Lake Hmong Studies Magnet, Hmong and Karen New Year.
I am Assistant Principal Sue Vane. Welcome.
Hello, Nojong. I'm Jeannie Foster, one of your school board members.
Nojong, I'm Zuki Ellis, another one of your school board members.
There we go.
Nojong, I'm Mary Vanderwoord. I just arrived. I just made it in time. Well, Happy New Year, everybody.
And we just like to say we're excited about what's going on in the schools. We're happy to be here to celebrate Hmong New Year with you all. And this is about giving thanks to our principal, assistant principal, and all the staff in this building, to our incredible kids who are going to show us tonight, and to the families that come out to support what's happening here. Thank you so much. Let's have fun.
So before we begin, hôm nay bây giờ nó tham khu rê cha hữu giờ bi là giờ khen vấn đề không in sang ra. Just want to let you know that the journey of learning something new, it's hard, but if you take some effort and some time to practice, it's very important. For example, Luza and Kutia is something very new for me. I don't know how to say Kutia or Luza. So I have to learn from our students. I also have to learn from my teachers. So thank you to Ms. V who wrote the Luza and Kutia, and thank you to Simply Chow for helping me and Ms. Rich to really get this song going. But we are still newbies in singing Luza. Woo! Good job, Miss Rich. Really good job. So for us, it's really hard. And this is really hard, a very hard task for Miss Rich and I. And one thing that students and when we come to school, when it's really, when we're given a task that's really, really hard, we have to work and practice. And that's what we do here in school. And it's okay for us to learn from students, from parents, and teachers as well. So, watch out. And then today, the one reason why you're all here is to see your children's performance, and where we would like to showcase our work. So the showcase tonight is going to show all of our classrooms, which has to do with the English program and the Hmong Girl Immersion program. And we're really excited to have you all here tonight and to come and watch our students and to really show them what they have been practicing and working really, really hard this year. So the first thing that's going to come up right now is our first grade team, and we have our first grade team there. We're going to sing a song called The Hmong Journey. And then we're going to have one of the classrooms, they will sing a folk song, a kutia.
They went into the mountains to live. They went to Laos. They live in the mountains. They farm. Together in the refugee camps. They went to America. They saw many new things.
Next coming up is Humboldt High School and Harding High School. So let's welcome them. Next coming up is our second grade group, and they will sing a song called Big Hmong, We Are Hmong. team. They will be singing a poem, Lu Ba Hua, and it's called Lu Xiong Cha, New Year. coming up is our fourth grade. They will be singing a poem. They worked tirelessly for this particular performance. When we're talking about racial equity work in the whole district, this is what the classroom has been working with. And racial equity really goes deeper than that.
I am dark brown, light black eyes. I am a Caribbean person too. I am also a Latin person. I am hip hop music. I am country music. I am a Canes person. I am a fast food person. I am Latina and I'm proud. I am America and America is me. I am junk food, I am fast food. I am Hmong American. I am America and America is me. Hate her. I am America. I am proud. I am blackish brownish hair. I am brown eyes. I am YouTube shirts. I am blue hoodies. I am hip hop. I am brown. I am junk food. I am Native American, black and white. I am America and I am proud. I am dark caramel eyes. I am shorts, I am t-shirts. I am nightcore, I am remix. I am egg rolls, freshly cooked. I am fried rice with meat. I am Hmong, black and white, and I am proud to be an American. I am America and America is me. Passion Theo. And shirts. I am sweatpants. I am ice cream. I am spicy noodles. I am Korean hip-hop music. I am rap music. I am Korean. I am America and America is me. Hey, Butzo.
called Hmong Family, and they will come up here and do a dance. Next coming up is our 5th grade group. They are going to say a poem, and the poem is called Where We're From.
Children, we are from being playful and silly to being serious and studious. We're from a wealth of rich experience that shapes who we are. We're from our parents who hold our hands and guide us through life. We are from learning to be independent, confident, and proud. We are children. I am Latino. We are from taking care of our little sisters and brothers. We're from cleaning the whole house and from helping our siblings with their homework. We are from eating giant pupusas, tacos, and salados. We are from celebrating our beautiful Cinco de Mayo, Dia de los Muertos, and our happy Christmas when Jesus was born. I am Latino.
kids, students, and teachers. Let's look around in this room. This room has some very, very important people. Who do you think they are? Your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, and your guardians, and the community. So look around, say thank you. Everybody wave to them, say thank you. Look at the back of them, say thank you. Because of our parents, our guardians, our community, we're all here and we're able to have this showcase. Next coming up is the fun part. And if you have to move, if you want to move, is a fourth grade group with Lady Chia and the Blazing Sapphire Dance Group of the group of Phalen Dance Studio. coming tonight. 我做咗咩從呢種個都講俾貓攞，貓咩叫我腦子叫朋友個別咁樣出嚟都我到營養做咩個對晒貓攞。
Le queremos dar las gracias a todos los padres y a los estudiantes y a los familiares y a la comunidad por haber acompañarnos esta noche.
So first we apologize. The Hmong saying goes, the house is small, but the heart is not small. The heart is big.
Do you know how to write in Hmong? Use lots of colors. 老高，哎。好了，你接着。你个太好了。
Step.